Ankur was my own story. But it was based on an incident. It was based on a real incident, which I had seen, when I was in school, as a matter of fact. And it had lodged somewhere in my mind. And I decided that I would write a story about it, to create a kind of short story. But actually, it didn't remain like a short story. Because, eventually it developed into a kind of subject that I felt that perhaps it would make an interesting film. But that happened very much later, mind you. I mean, not more than a decade passed, in that process. In fact, a decade and a half passed before I actually thought of it as making a film. So that was how it was. And that's how things happen. Like, say, for instance, some things, you store away in your mind, in your memory. And someday it returns because, the moment is right for it. The right kind of vibes, the right kind of, what's the word, note, suddenly catches. And then you say, oh my God, yes, that's a wonderful story that I